Hello, and here's a quick tutorial of how to use your Hey Mic with Zoom. So what you're going to see right now is this is my MacBook Pro in front of us, and I've got my Zoom app open. I have already paired my Hey Mic with my laptop. If you don't know how to pair your Hey Mic with your laptop, or you're not sure that you've done it, then you should definitely go and watch the How to Pair My Hey Mic with My Laptop video. It's amazing. It's like an awesome video. If you haven't seen it, you should just watch it for fun. And maybe, grab a glass of wine when you do it. Okay, so now this is paired. It's quite simple. All I really need to do is I'm going to start with video. And as you can see, I'm kind of like, hi, hello, we're in this very busy place. You can see I'm recording with a Hey Mic on another camera. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come in and go to my audio settings. And in my audio settings, because I have already paired my Hey Mic, then what you're going to see is that I can just pick Hey Mic as my microphone. The catch is that it automatically wants to use Hey Mic as your speaker as well. We don't want to do that. So you probably want to set that to be your external speaker. So now when I go back into my audio settings, I will have Hey Mic as my microphone, and I will have my built-in output speaker or whatever other headphones you've connected up working for that. You can use your Hey Mic as headphones if you want to. There's a 3.5mm jack at the end of your Hey Mic. I think I'm doing a very good job of showing that here. Oh, I am showing it on one camera, which is really tricky, just in case you're wondering to do this on multiple cameras. And so you can plug in a pair of headphones, and then you can use both, but that's basically what you want to do. And then just like that, voila, you are all ready. So see you later. Bye. Happy Hey Micing.